So alias is nothing but giving a false name or giving any other name is called as alias. Giving a name. Okay, giving a false name. If you look at the dictionary meaning of alias, it is giving a false name. So similarly in SQL, we can use alias to change the name of the in MySQL, you can alias. Let me zoom this. Yeah, alias are used to give a table or column a temporary name. So we can give a temporary name for your table or for your column. So let me show you how you can use alias for the column names. So now I have written the customer name. So let me copy this query and paste it here. So now I don't want a customer name here. I want to rename that as I'm giving a alias name for this customer name. So I'll write this as a full name. Okay, full name. Okay, and I don't want to write a phone number. I want to alias it with a mobile number for just an example. Okay, so your customer name will be aliased to full name because I have written alias short form is like a keyword is used as phone column is aliased as mobile and so on. So let me execute this command, this query, and now you can see your column names has been changed from customer name to full name, from phone to mobile. So this is how we can alias your column names in the table.